Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Wi-Fi card in a laptop. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Gather your tools, typically a small Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap, which is crucial for protecting sensitive components. Always back up your important data before starting any hardware changes. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth installation process. Now, let's access the Wi-Fi card slot. Turn your laptop over and locate the access panel on the bottom. This panel is often secured by one or two small screws. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver and gently pry open the panel. Inside, you'll see the current Wi-Fi card, typically a small rectangular component with two thin antenna wires connected. Observe how these wires are attached, as you'll need to connect them to your new card. With the old card removed, it's time to install the new one. Gently disconnect the two antenna cables from the old card. Then, unscrew the single small screw holding the card and slide it out. Take your new Wi-Fi card and insert it into the slot at about a 30-degree angle. Push it down until it clicks into place, then secure it with the small screw. Finally, carefully reattach the two antenna cables to their corresponding ports on the new card. You're almost done. Carefully replace the access panel on the bottom of your laptop and secure it with the screws. Reinsert the battery and plug in your power adapter. Now, power on your laptop. Once your operating system loads, you may need to install specific drivers for your new Wi-Fi card. These drivers are usually found on the manufacturer's website. After installation, connect to your Wi-Fi network to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.